Hello friends, this is Surendra Kumar from SK Smart Investing. All of us know about crypto trading and how crypto trading happens. But the nightmare for all of us is, how do I trade in cryptos? Because crypto market is a 24/7 market, open 365 days a year. Traders, investors from Australia, Japan, Middle East, Europe, USA all participate. So where do I get in? Where do I get out? How do I maximize my profit? How do I minimize my loss? It's a multi-million dollar question. So don't worry friends, we have an answer to it. I'll be taking you through a bot which is based on artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, which will give us a very good solution. So before we move on into crypto trading using artificial intelligence bot, just would like to touch upon what is cryptocurrency. I'm sure everybody is aware of it, but maybe there are some newcomers into the crypto market. For them, just for the information, there are around more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies, but we are not going to be trading in all those. We are hardly going to trade in less than 100 cryptocurrencies, or even much lower. Now I'm going to talk about the Indian market. So just would like to touch upon the question being raised: is cryptocurrency legal? Are cryptocurrencies legal? The question is, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or any Ethereum or anything are legal. They are not illegal. There is a draft bill under consideration. The central government of India is going to bring up a regulation for cryptocurrencies, which is very good. Definitely it is talking about clean money, accountability, everything. So during the next session of parliament, we can expect the bill. Once the bill comes into force, it will be very easy and good for everybody. Yes, maybe capital gains tax might be introduced, similar to stocks and mutual funds and other assets. So as of now, it's good to go. So before we move on to cryptocurrency trading, we will have to buy cryptos. So where do I buy my crypto? How do I buy my crypto? There are exchanges worldwide. I mean, cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide. In India too. In India, we have got WazirX, CoinDCX, Coinbase, and few others. Worldwide, I'll be listing the topmost 1 and 2, Binance, Huobi. What you have to do is, you have to go to the Play Store or Apple, download their app and do the registration process. It's similar to a bank. When you go to a bank, what happens? They will ask for a KYC. Here you have eKYC. So in Indian conditions, you will have to have proof of address, Aadhaar card, PAN card, photograph, and that's it. So once you follow the procedure, once you submit these documents online, your account will be up and running, maybe within an hour or two a day. It's very simple. So these are the basic things to start an account with a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have started the cryptocurrency account, then you will have to link your bank account with this particular cryptocurrency exchange. It is mandatory and it is very safe, secure. It is as per Indian RBI norms. So there are, you will find each cryptocurrency exchange has got different banks listed, supported banks or suggested banks. So or UPI works. In most of the cases, UPI also works. So you have got UPI transfer, IMPS, RTGS, all these things. So select your bank, link your bank account, that is mandatory, and your bank account should be in the same name as your cryptocurrency holder's name, account holder's name is very important. So once you link your bank with a cryptocurrency exchange, you can transfer the money. That's how you are clear. You're doing the first step by having an account in a cryptocurrency exchange with the money transferred to buy cryptocurrency. Now our cryptocurrency exchange or cryptocurrency account is operational. Now we would like to do trading. Like any other trading, stock trading or currency forex trading, in cryptos also we have spot trading. The difference here is the spot trading takes place 24/7, 365 days. So just imagine, what is spot trading? Spot trading is very simple. You buy low, you sell high. You buy low, you sell high. Suppose you have got multiple 10 or 15 cryptocurrencies. I am sure it's practically difficult, impractical, I would rather say really impossible to manage a spot trading of 10 different cryptocurrencies, because you have to buy low, sell high, and that happens 24/7. It's very, very difficult or practically impossible. That's where we are going to use an artificial intelligence bot which works on blockchain technology. That is Royal Q. Royal Q is an application which has been developed since many years, but it has been operational in 35 countries. People are really making use of it. And the first step for you is to install the Royal Q app. So you have to be very careful. I have given the link, use the link, because there are other fraudulent sites in the name of Royal Q also. So use the link, and once you use the link, once the registration process starts, you will be asked for invitation code. The invitation code is also given there. Use that, complete your registration process, and once the registration process is complete, then we will have other steps like linking it to your cryptocurrency exchange for it to do the real trading. Now let's look into how Royal Q operates and how do we get it operational. So like Royal Q has to have an link with your cryptocurrency exchange. So what is Royal Q? Royal Q is an app or a bot which works on technology using artificial intelligence. It works with two major exchanges in the world, Binance and Huobi. Today I am going to talk about Binance. I am going to take you through the operation between Royal Q and Binance. Binance will be holding your trading capital and all your profits. I repeat, Binance will be holding your trading capital and all your profits in your spot wallet. Now, what we have to do is, we have to bind Binance trading account with the Royal Q account. For that, there is an API. Once the API procedure is complete, then your Royal Q will be bound to your Binance cryptocurrency account. What happens with that? What happens with API binding? It allows both the applications to talk to each other. I repeat, it allows both the applications to talk to each other. Then there are parameters which you will be setting, or we will be setting, when we are giving the API instructions. You will allow Royal Q to buy cryptocurrencies on your behalf in your Binance account. You will allow Royal Q to sell your cryptocurrencies through your Binance account. You will allow Royal Q to monitor your Binance cryptocurrency account, but you will not allow Royal Q to withdraw any money or coins from your account. I repeat, you will not and Royal Q will not withdraw any money or assets from your account, nor Royal Q will be allowed to transfer assets out of your Binance account. So, these are the instructions given very, very clearly, and these are the instructions, basic instructions. What happens is basically replacing you to a limited extent. You are not giving Royal Q the independence or flexibility to do whatever the bot wants. You are just giving Royal Q the authority to monitor your account 24/7, 365 days. You are giving Royal Q the authority to buy on your behalf. You are giving Royal Q the authority to sell on your behalf. So, this is exactly what Royal Q is going to do and what we want Royal Q to do. So, now let us see how a Royal Q trading bot operates. So, once your Royal Q account is set up and the fees, registration fees are paid and the gas fuel fees are paid, and you have selected the number of coins, the trading strategies are set, the trade settings are set, that is it. Then what Royal Q does? It monitors your account, it monitors the cryptocurrencies you have selected, and based upon the trade settings and strategy settings, it starts buying low. When the market is low, it buys, it waits, and when the market is high, it sells. So, now the question is, when does it buy, when does it sell? Yes, that is exactly what I said we will be talking about in detail in the strategy settings and trade settings. Basically, what it does is, it buys, for example, at X dollars, $10. We will set our first parameter as profit taking trigger. I repeat, profit taking trigger, say at 1.3%. So, when the market rises to 1.3%, the trigger is activated and the bot waits. If the market drops, again that is the next parameter what we will be setting, for example 0.3%. If the market drops to 0.3%, the bot will trigger the sale. That means you will end up in a profit of 1%. Or if the market is still continuing to rise, the bot will wait till such a time the market is peaking out and dropping by 0.3%, which you have already set. That means it will maximize the profit for you. For example, if it is rising 5.3% and dropping by 0.3%, it will book a profit, it will make a profit of 5% for you. So, just to understand, these are the trade settings we will be talking about how to set it. So, these are the inputs you will have to give. Once these inputs are given, your bot will buy low and will sell high. So, again, for a normal human being, you can't watch the trading activity 24/7 and if you have got multiple 10 currencies, but bot has the ability to watch 24/7, second by second, and multiple currencies, 10 or 100 currencies, it does not matter. So, that is one thing. Second thing is, again, everyone you might be familiar about the martingale strategy. Normally, it is used when the market is bearish, when the market goes down. So, Royal Q bot applies the same martingale strategy. Again, I repeat, the martingale strategy we will have to set it in the trade settings. This is it's a job once we do. So, once we set the martingale strategies, you can see that it uses a dollar cost averaging method. When we say dollar cost averaging method, it will buy coin when the market value drops. For example, you bought it at $10 and if you set up a parameter saying after 3.5% it has to buy. So, it will, the moment the market drops 3%, 3.5%, it will buy. What it will buy? Will it buy $10 or $20? Again, that you have to set. Is it the parameter is you are saying that okay, I buy 2 times. When I buy 2 times, I am averaging the cost. So, these are the parameters which we have to set. So once these parameters are set, you will see even when the market is falling, a normal human being will have the fear saying that, oh my God, I'm going to lose the money. But bot doesn't have emotion, it doesn't have fear, it will not liquidate your capital, it will not liquidate your coin. Your coin will be safe. Even if the market goes down, if you are holding 10 coins, your 10 coins still remains the same. You will incur a floating loss, that's it. And you should know, and we all know, whatever goes high comes down, whatever goes down comes up. Same is for the market. When the market goes up, definitely it is going to come down. When the market comes down, it is going to bottom up and going to go up. So bot will look for such opportunities to make profit for you. So using this martingale strategy, it might go to step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 7, whatever steps you want to decide. If your pockets are deep, if you want to have, buy out in good numbers certain coins which you think will be a definite asset in the future, definitely this will work. So this is the beauty of it. It works using spot trading strategy, buy low, sell high. It uses the martingale strategy when the market is bearish, and it gives you profit. And the last thing is, it never makes a loss. It will never makes a loss. So having known how RoyalQ functions, what it does, how it does, now let's look into it. How do I obtain this RoyalQ? To have this RoyalQ application running with Binance, doing trading on your behalf, you will have to pay RoyalQ $100 as membership fees annually. I repeat, it's a membership fees of $100. And as we all know, RoyalQ trading works on quantitative strategy, and it works 24/7, 365 days. And as we have seen, as we have realized, RoyalQ bot gives you 0.5% profit per day as a minimum to a profit of 5% per day. It never ends up in a loss because it never liquidates, it holds. I repeat, you can expect a profit of 0.5% per day to 5% per day, again depending upon your coin selection, depending upon your strategy settings, depending upon your trade settings, which definitely we will be working together and we will be helping out. And everybody will be thinking, with $100, how does the bot work? Artificial bot is very expensive. How does it work? No, we will have to share the profits. Normally what trading houses do is, when you sell something, they take a percentage. When you buy something, they take a percentage. They don't care whether you make a profit or a loss. Every time you sell, they make a money. Every time you buy, they take a money. But RoyalQ is not that. RoyalQ makes profit only when you make profit. So if you make a profit, 20% of your profit has to be paid to the RoyalQ bot. I repeat, only on your profits. And these profits are prepaid. It's not going to be deducted from your profits what you make in Binance, because RoyalQ and Binance, they don't have any financial connection, you can see that. So if your trading capital, if you plan to put a trading capital of $100 in Binance, you have to prepay $20 to RoyalQ, and depending upon your profits, the percentage of profits will be deducted from the gas fees or fuel fees you already paid to RoyalQ. It's very simple. So RoyalQ works on $100 annual membership, and it works on 20% profit contribution from the profit you have made in Binance account. Hope you all have enjoyed my video presentation on RoyalQ bot, which works on artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. This is just the beginning and introduction of how RoyalQ bot works. There are more details to follow, like the trade settings, trade strategies, cryptocurrency selection, and so on. So if you have liked this video, please share it with your friends. Please like this video and press the button. Thank you very much.